Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know y'all don't even have to say. I know y'all missed me. I know y'all missed me. It gets a little hard and difficult to be consistent while you're trying to juggle your life outside of YouTube and social media and all of that. And my goal this year is to become more consistent. I want to push out more content. I want to make more videos and lock in some deals. I see my video with my hair tutorial got like 7K views. I was so shocked when I seen it. I was like, wow. And I'm just so happy and so thankful for those that even took the time to watch it through. It means so much to me. I'm at 581 subscribers, y'all. I know it doesn't seem like much, but to me that's much. If 581 people were standing outside of my door right now and complimenting me and saying you're doing great, I wouldn't know how to act. So 581 subscribers is just as big as that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned. Before applying any makeup, I always start off by moisturizing my face according to my skin type. I'm going in with my Born This Way concealer in the shade Toffee. I'm applying it in the inner corner of my eye, in the outer corner, above my lip, and on my nose. To avoid creasing, I always fan down my concealer. I let it dry for at least 30 seconds before blending it out. For that softer look, I always like to use a beauty blender to blend out my concealer because when I'm using a brush, I feel like it's more full coverage and it's not really giving that no makeup look that I'm really going for. Blending is one of the most important parts of doing your makeup. Take your time when you're doing it. Don't rush. It doesn't matter how long it takes. When you're taking your time, you get the best results. To set my concealer, I go in with my Revolution setting powder in the shade Banana Deep. I just apply it everywhere that I applied the concealer. Don't be like me and use too much. You do not need too much when you're just setting your powder. As you can see, I'm just using what I have on my face and stretching it. Contour and bronzer, I use Morphe's contour palette and their bronzer Glamabronze in the shade 8D and Leader. I blend those two together and then I tap off the excess powder so it's not too cakey on my face. When applying contour and bronzer, I always like to stay in my cheekbone area, as you can see. I don't like to get too close to my mouth because I feel like that defeats the whole purpose of contour. For blush, I use the red shade in the Morphe contour palette. I really love this palette because they just have everything in there. They even have bronzer in there. Y'all, I got a little bit too carried away with my blush, looking like Rudolph. Like, look at me, a mess. But it's an easy fix. To contour my nose, I use the Glamabronze bronzer. I don't like my nose contour too harsh, so I use bronzer. If you want to avoid flashbacks when you do your makeup, pressed powders are going to be your best friend. But I'm going in with my MAC Studios pressed powder and just pressing in the setting powder. Pressed powders really come in handy when you make silly mistakes like I did with my blush. And whenever my nose contour is too harsh or I just put too much, I just go over it with my pressed powder. For my lips, I'm using Morphe's lip liner in the shade Richie and just outlining my lips to my liking. Y'all, this is why I hate being home alone sometimes. I swear I heard somebody in my house. Like, I was just too frightened to go check, so I just continued doing what I was doing. I'm not one of those people that's about to get up and go check and see what's going on. I'm gonna stay right where I'm at. Lips, I start off with NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Cairo, I think that's how you pronounce it. And then to top it, I go over it with the Butter Gloss in the shade Fortune Cookie. This is my favorite mascara. I think it's the brush that got me stuck on it, but it's really good. I like it. I wish I could wear lashes and lash extensions, but I got sensitive eyes, so literally nothing works on my eyes but mascara. It's really hard being my mama's finest child. Like, it's a lot of work that comes with being that. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you want to see more of me and you really like this video, like, comment, and subscribe to be notified when I post. Bye.